guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing another unboxing from Hobonichi. So this is my second haul and I just got this package today. I couldn't wait to unbox this and see what I got for my second haul. So let me just actually put the box right here and I will be showing you each of those items that I got. So open the box. So let's see first what I got. So first I have here, oh wow, oh, this is the cover. So this is a cover from Hobonichi. This is just a cover only for day free. Look at that. I love the color. The color is in red. It's absolutely, really, the color is nice though. I love it. I love how I love the red. It's not too dark and it's not too it's just like a perfect red. The way I describe it, I think it's just a perfect red. So this is the first one. This is for the A5. Yeah, this looks bigger. So this is for the A5. Next we have, I have here, okay, oh, another A5, just the cover only, day free. And this is in color blue. Oh wow, this color is really lovely. I love it. Wow. It's just like the perfect color that I am actually looking for. I mean, I didn't really expect that it would, I mean, yeah, it's so nice. I love the color, guys. I do love the color. It's amazing. I mean, I'm so surprised. This one actually has a very, let me just open this. It seems like the material is made up of, if I am not mistaken, like a nylon, but it has a, yeah, it's really smooth and shiny though. Yeah, I love the color. It's just the exact blue that I have been wanting. Really nice. So the next we have also another one, which is also an A5 in black. Wow. I like that it is shiny and also it is really smooth. So this is a cover only for day free A5, just plain black, and it says there the logo, it says there Hobonichi. So these are my 3 covers. This is just the cover for day 5 for A5 day free. 3 lovely colors. Actually that's 3. So next we have this one. So this is a cover uncover. This is for the A6. It says, they said this one is light, so it has a design which looks like a tree right here, and then there is a bird and there is a rabbit, and yeah, this one looks really nice though. I'm gonna give you a closer look, see those animals around it. And also this one is it says the cover uncover says light. This is for the original. Wow, I love it. They actually put this one the black background so you could actually see the design, which is really nice, really cool. So next we have, okay, this is another cover. This is for the A6. This one is in red. I absolutely love the red. So this is for the A6 and this is the A5. That's the size comparison, which is obviously A5 is so much bigger. Yeah, it's actually made up of the same material though. So next we have another one for the originals, which is in blue. I got it in blue, which is actually the same color for the A5. Really nice. I love it. I'm so crazy with the covers. I don't know why I'm collecting all those covers, but I'm totally obsessed with the Hobonichi covers. Not only it's affordable, but it's durable. And then I have another cover again. So this one is, this one they call this for, this is for the A6 again. And this one, they call this one Summer Lemon. So I got a set for this. Oh wow, the interior is so lovely. I love this color. The blue is so lovely, and also the yellow is so vibrant. It actually complements perfectly together. So this is the blue for a day free, and look at the difference with the interior. I love this blue as well, but this one has a really nice shine to it. It's really like it's yeah, and it looks like it was very well made as well. I was just actually, I'm obsessed with stitching, so yeah. So this is the cover, and I was thinking of actually using this one for my cover and cover on this item. I'm not sure if this would work. I think so, but I think this one works perfectly if your cover is dark. If it's like a black or dark blue, this would work perfectly. But I'm going to try to put this one in here, see if it works. Okay, so next, what did I got? Okay, that's just another stuffing. So these are actually, oh, I see, these are the pens that I purchased. Oh, this is a pencil board. Oh, this is so cute. Let me just open this one so I could show it to you. So I love this character. The pencil board is just so lovely. So yeah, that's just the pencil board, the Sesame Street characters. It is so cute. So cute. I love it. And also on this side, very lovely. So that's the pencil board for A6. And next, what else did I got here? Oh, I got this stickers. I don't know, this one really, I find this one so cute. These are the dancing fox. It has an adhesive patch at the back, so you could just actually, I was thinking when I purchased this one online to put it in one of these cover that I have, and I'll just probably like just put the patch right here. I could just put it randomly around the cover. I think that would look great. Yeah, I could just put them randomly at the back. This one has an adhesive. I think it would look great. So these are so cute. Oh my gosh, they are so cute, the fox. Next, what else we got? Okay, I got a pen. This is a free pen. And as much as I am loving the Jetsetter pen, no, the Jetstream pen. What was I thinking? Jetstream pen. I got a refill with all the colors. So I got here in blue, black, and red. And so this is the pen. I just really love this pen. It's my most favorite so far. I did actually use this one with my 5-year Techo, and I love it. I know that the 5-year didn't have a lot of space for you to write on, but with this, fine print works perfectly with that. And I got 3. And then also, I also have, I don't know why I got this. This is so funny though. This is like a, how do you call this? A stencil. I don't know why I got this stencil, but this one is the activities stencil. It says here, star, box, run, heart, flower, bicycle, book, eat, phone. drink. So that's the stencil. Yeah, it's cute. I might want to try this one. So that's it for that's it on this pouch. Next, I have, what else do I have here? Oh, so this is just a notebook. This is a set of notebook that I have. Yeah, so there were actually 3 in here. So let me just open this one. Yeah, I'm very much interested on this. I will be using this one on my day free. All of these 3. I'm just curious on this. Yeah, it's very thin though. Yeah. So there's actually a set of 3. So if you're curious in how these, the set of 3 notebooks, so this is how it looks. Yeah, they are really, they're really tiny, guys. So there's our 3 colors. I love this 3 colors. Very beautiful. And also, what else did I got here? Oh, here it is. This is from the artist name Ryoji Arai. And this is just a paper. This is just like, yeah, this is not a planner, but it is a set of paper. Wow, the adhesive is very strong for this. So okay, so this is the book. This is actually, maybe this looks like the artist, I'm not sure. Oh, this is like sort of the illustration. It's the bird. Really nice. Yeah, so it is like a, yeah, actually this one is actually glued together. It is not really like, yeah. So I'm not really sure about this, if I would use this one for as agenda or planner or something, because it's not really, I don't think this would, yeah. So, but it looks good. I like the illustration. I love the illustration for this. It is so lovely. So cute. So next, what else did I got here? Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that I actually purchased a lot. And then, okay, this is part of the set. Since this is for the set that for this one. This one that I got here. This is for, it's like the summer lemon set, which is the A6, which actually this one has 2 books in it. Starts from, this one has 2 books. I love those 2 books, so I could just split the month. I just don't really want my planner to be like so thick, so I could just split the for 2 sets. So okay, so yeah, this one is for January to June. And then let me just open this one. Yeah, you're probably older. Yeah, January to June, and then July to December. I'm a little bit confused. Oh yeah, because it has 2 sets, so split 6 months, 6 months to 6 months. Okay, so next, what else did I got? Finally, I am on my last item, which is the foodie pen. I absolutely love this pen, guys. I mean, I don't know. This is just also one of my most favorite. I mean, when I used this, I didn't have any issues, or there's no problem. It wouldn't smear. It's just as soon as this one touched the paper, it just sticks there. I love that I love the fact that this one is actually writes pretty well. I think that the refill for this ink, for, I don't know if this one has a refill though. So yeah, this is my favorite pen. And also, where is the other one that came with it? Yeah, these are the Jetstream ones. So these two are actually free. I got this one for the set. So I got this set right here, and I got this one for free. Because I'm loving this so much, I end up purchasing the refill. And I think the refill is 70 cents each. So I just really wanted to get the refill because I already got one of these on my previous purchase. So I think this would last a long time. So yeah, those are my second haul from Hobonichi. I love all the things that I've got. I am so ready for planning for 2021. It is going to be an interesting year for me. I will be using this for my personal stuff, for work, also for my business, and also for pretty much I am thinking of using, I was expecting that this one would be so thick because I would actually try to write some illustration with I like to draw with my imagination with fashion and stuff. So this is actually perfect. But I really thought this is so much thicker. So, but yeah, but I think also this one also is perfect as well. So I could just rip it if I made a mistake or I didn't like it. So, and also the paper for this one is actually different. I think the Tomoe River paper, if I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly, if Tomoe River paper, that is, this one is just plain and it has a very thick texture to it, which I think this is, yeah, really nice quality paper. And also this one, yeah, yes, this one is the grid one, which just has the Tomoe River paper. And this is the difference between the two. So this one has a thicker, smoother texture, and this one is the Tomoe, the popular one. And yeah, those are my unboxing. I am just so excited and so happy that for 2021, it's a new beginning. It is something that I do anticipate it's going to be better than the 2020. A lot of things it's going to happen, and I hope that my business would prosper for 2021 and just put back the 2020 that has been, I don't know, it was just such a not so good year, I guess, for all of us, I guess. But anyway, we're hoping that hopefully in sooner that we'll be able to, things gets better, and that's what would be my Christmas wish. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.